Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, it's a time of science lecture. Open your science books and copies. Today is the Thursday 15th of April 2021. Students, today's our topic of discussion is we have started our chapter number 3, which is time, rate and speed. Yesterday we did about the time and rate. Today I will explain you about the speed in detail. So your today's topic is reading and explanation of the speed. Student, what is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance. We will write the definition over here. Rate of change of distance with time, or the distance traveled per unit area. This is the definition of speed, is called as speed. What is speed? Rate of change of distance with time or the distance traveled per unit area. Students, the distance is the movement from one point to another. Speed is the rate of change of distance, that how much the object is moving from one place to another in how much time. So that rate will be equal to speed. Now we will write the formula of speed, that is speed is equal to distance traveled, that how much distance is traveled while moving from one point to another, divided by time taken, that how much time is required for movement of that particle in moving from one point to another. So this ratio will be equal to the speed. Student, speed, the SI unit of speed is, now we will SI unit. What is the SI unit of speed? Students, the SI unit of speed is meter per second, which is equal to ms minus 1. So this s will be, when moved upward, it will become minus 1. So the SI unit of speed is ms minus 1 meter per second. Other common units of speed are kilometer per hour or centimeter per second. So these are some units of speed. SI unit is meter per second, and other some units are kilometer per hour or centimeter per second. Students, now open your books. Lower Secondary Science 1, this is for grade 6, page number 39. Here is a topic, that is speed. What is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance with time or the distance traveled per unit time. This is the definition of speed. Mark this line and learn this. Next is fast moving objects have high speeds. As you all know that the fast moving objects have this high speed, while the slow moving ones have low speed. Speed is calculated by dividing the distance traveled by the time taken to travel that distance. Here is the formula of the speed. You have to write, first of all you have to write the definition and then formula. The formula of speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. Next is for traveling equal distances, higher speed means that the time taken for speed is shorter. Look at the data given below. Students, time taken to finish the 100-meter dash. A have completed in 13.5 seconds, B have completed in 12.9 seconds, C will be completed in 13.6 seconds, and D 14.0 seconds. Who run at the highest speed during 100-meter dash? Students, the higher speed is of that which have less time. So here the less time is for A, so the A have the highest speed. For traveling through the fixed interval of time, higher speed means the distance traveled is longer. Higher speed means distance traveled is longer in small time. Next, unit for speed. The SI unit for speed is meter per second. Other common units for speed include kilometer per hour or centimeter per second. Turn the page, students. Here is the topic average speed. What is meant by average speed? Students, average speed means total time traveled, that total distance traveled, that how much distance is traveled by an object, divided by total time taken for that is the total time taken in traveling from one point to another. So this is the formula of average speed. Now student, turn the page. Here is the speed equation. The speed equation we have already discussed that the speed equation can be written in three ways. Speed is equal to distance divided by time, or time is equal to distance divided by speed. Here the speed come here and distance will be go on this side, then the formula will become time is equal to distance divided by speed, or distance is equal to, by taking this time over here, the formula becomes distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So your classwork is, students, your classwork is to write the first of all definition of the speed from here to the here, and then write these formula, these three formulas, number 1, 2 and 3. So this is your classwork, and students, your homework is to make 10 filling the blanks from this topic speed. Thank you, students.